Good day guys, welcome back to this channel. So now let's take a look at this gold. Now before we get started, make sure you subscribe if you've not subscribed. We did analysis right last week on this our silver. We are taking a look at our silver. We did analysis on our silver. I told you guys that we will be getting to a level of 24, right? 24.245. This is the movement we had on our silver. Can you see it now? Price actually got to the level that we were talking about, and I told you guys that once price gets to the level, a pullback would be made, and you can see it on the daily time frame. Price got to that same level and a pullback was made. Now we would want to see where this price will be moving for this week. To be able to predict this price for this week, we would have to go to the monthly time frame or the higher time frame. We are going to analyze it from the higher time frame down to the 4-hour time frame, and why we'll be placing such trade. Now, first of all, I've highlighted some key levels on the monthly time frame here. You can see that price has once reacted to this level. Price have reacted to this level, right? So you can see that price have reacted to this level. If you're following consistently, you see how we actually made use of this level, right? And we saw that price actually was giving us a bearish move. Price was dropping, giving us a lower lows, lower highs. Though price actually reacted to this level, right? And you will see that this price is trading below our 10 period moving average. One of the reasons why we were selling previously, this was around the level period of 2021. We were selling on our silver, right? We were seeing lower lows, lower highs. No doubt about that. Silver was giving us a bearish move, right? Now, if you take a look at this movement that is being made, I think we started in this movement in the month of September, that is 9. The month of September, we actually opened and closed bullish. In the month of October, we opened and closed bullish, right? Take a look at the month of November. We also opened and closed bullish. And now we are in the month of December. We've actually opened. We have not even closed, but price have given us a bullish move. And we speculate price to get to a level of 24.245. Price have gotten to that level, right? So we are trying to predict another level, but we will get into that soon. Now, if you take a look at this moment, previously this price was below this 10 period moving average. That was an indication that it was a sell movement. You had to go ahead and sell on the assets, right? But now what we clearly can see is that this price has gone bullish to the extent that it is now trading above our moving average. So anyhow we want to place this trade, right? We should be looking at it as an uptrend move. We should go ahead to go long on this our silver, right? So that is what we will be expecting. So would expect a bullish move. Price go to a level of 24.245 that we expect. Of course, a pullback needs to be made. Now, a new level needs to be 8. Thereby, we will continue to go bullish. So, a new level that would be 8. Let me set it. So, I'll be watching out for this level. This is the new level that I'll be watching out for. Reason is that price have once reacted to this level 1, price have reacted to this level 2, and price have reacted to this level. So, I will watch out for a level that price have reacted to multiple times, and I will know that if price gets to that level, there's every possibility price react to that level. So this level that I've highlighted now is a level of 25.458. So I will be watching out for a level of 25.458. We would want to see our silver give us that bullish move and tap that level, right? But before we get to that level, this pullback needs to be over, right? Anyway, on the monthly time frame, we expect a further bullish move. Even in the month of December, January, by next year, we still expect more bullish move to be made. Maybe in the month of January or February, we should be able to tap this level. But I believe it will be in the month of January. We're going to hit this level of 25.458. So to predict this price for this week, we will now go to the weekly time frame. Now, before you actually take your trade, when you look at an asset, one thing you would want to ask yourself is that what is the trend for that movement? So when you take a look at this silver, what can you see? What is the trend? Clearly can see an uptrend move on the weekly time frame. So we are seeing higher highs and an higher lows. So see this to be, we will take a look at this to be an higher highs, and this will be considered to be an higher lows, a new highs, right? And an higher lows here on this silver. Take a look at this to be a new highs, right? And an higher lows here on silver. take a look at this, a new highs. Price give us a pullback here, and we talk about having a new highs that will get a level of 24. The this week that we are trying to predict for also, we will also see it give us that bullish move right on this our silver. Though on the 4 hour the daily time frame, there's a pullback here which is not visible on the daily time frame, but on this weekly time frame, we are seeing a candlestick wick sticking out here, right? So this week that we are trying to predict for, we will also want to see our price open and close bullish, by the way. So expect a green candle. So let us see if we can see we actually add a 2% move, bullish move. Let's see if we can have like a 2% movement, 2 to 3% movement this week on silver. So let's see price come to take out this level. Let's watch out for a target of 3% bullish move. So we should actually be able to take out this level of 24. The highs that it's got to, right? The current highs we are at right now. We would want to see a new highs that will be made that will take out that highs. Now, take a look at this moving average. Price is trading above our 10 period moving average. I do say it again. As long as your price is trading above your moving average, then there's only one movement you should watch out for or consider taking, which is to go bullish. Consider going long on silver, right? So you can see this price giving us an uptrend move. You can see it is trading above our 10 period moving average. So since it is still trading above our 10 period moving average, then we should go ahead to go long. That should now take us to the daily time frame. Once again, the trend for the movement. What is the trend for this movement? An uptrend of higher highs and higher lows. Now take a look at this movement here. So let's start it from here. So for better understanding and quick understanding, instead of starting it from down, let's start it from here, which is an impulse move on silver, and a pullback was made, right? Take a look at this, a new highs and a pullback was made, right? Now, this is a new highs on this our silver. Notice that this new highs broke this previous highs. This highs also broke this previous highs. So a new highs have been made, and now this is a pullback. Now that this pullback would be over, what do we expect next? A new highs. One of the reasons why I said this week also silver will be giving us a bullish move. A new highs would be needs to be made. So the new highs needs to be made that will take out this previous highs. So we need to make new highs. Secondly, is that a pullback has been made. You can see that this pullback has tapped our 10 period moving average, right? You've seen it. This is one of the reasons why we're having a bounce up, a rejection. We all know that once a pullback has been made and it taps our moving average, there's every possibility we will see that price push up, right? So a pullback is being made, tag our moving average, and you can see this candlestick week. So we should be expecting a further bullish move. Like I do say again, as long as your price is trading above your 10 period moving average, then definitely you are on a long movement. You should watch out for a buy movement. That should take us to the 4 hour time frame. So now if you take a look at this 4 hour time frame, looks like we are starting to have a bearish move. So this is the lower 4 hour time frame, lower lows, lower highs here, lower lows, and this is kind of like the lower highs. If eventually price should drop and take out these lows for the last time, then stay out of this trade. Do not just place any trade, except you want to sell, except you want to go ahead and sell, then no problem about that. If eventually price should drop and take out these previous lows, stay out of this trade, because we would want to go long on our silver. But if in case price drops and take out these lows, then you have to stay out of this trade. And if you want to go ahead to place your trade and you want to sell, then there's no problem. But once this price eventually go up, give us like a pullback, it does not break this previous lows, and price give us another spike up, then you can now go ahead and like take your buy movement. What we will just be looking at on our silver is multiple break of structure upward. Then you can go ahead and take this trade. So you would want to confirm that multiple break of structure. If you can confirm multiple break of structure upward, maybe you can see 4, 5, 6 multiple break of structure upward on your 30 minutes time frame. Then I think it is a good opportunity to go ahead and take your buy. That is it if you want to take such movement. But let's see what this 1 hour time frame is actually saying. This is 1 hour time frame. We are kind of having higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So let's see if a new highs will be made. That will take if a new highs will be made. After the new highs have been made, a pullback. And if a new ice is making, then we can now go ahead and take this trade. So all this I'm just saying is just a suggestion. If you want to trade like that, if you want to apply a strategy, it is up to you. I want to take this trade. It is up to you. I'm just giving an advice. By the way, this silver for this week, we will expect it and we will be watching out for a bullish move.